The elephant's quiet power. Ever feel like your brain's just a hamster wheel of stress and worry? Like no matter what you do, you can't quite hit that pause button and just think straight. You probably wish there was some magic switch for calm, right? Well, what if I told you that simple, elegant elephant figurine sitting in your living room, the one you probably just bought because it looked nice, could actually be that secret key to finding your inner peace? We usually think of elephants as symbols of luck or strength, but their incredible power for calmness and wisdom is totally overlooked. Today, I'm going to show you how this humble little guardian can actually quiet your mind, help you make smarter decisions, and even open doors to lasting success. Trust me, it's not what you think. More than just a lucky charm. You know, we all have those beautiful elephant figurines, right? Maybe you've got one proudly sitting on your bookshelf, or maybe it's a little antique piece from a trip. We buy them because they look majestic, they're undeniably elegant, and hey, we've probably heard somewhere that they bring good luck or positive vibes, and that's great. But here's the thing, for most of us, that's where it stops. We treat them like any other pretty piece of decor. We just find an empty spot, dust them off occasionally, and hope for the best. We assume just having an elephant in the room is enough to invite all that good fortune. But what if that's the biggest mistake we're making? What if this incredible symbol with centuries of wisdom behind it is actually just sitting there completely dormant? Or worse, what if we're unknowingly overlooking its true, profound purpose? A purpose that goes way beyond simple good luck. It looks harmless, just a statue. But I've personally seen how misunderstanding the elephant's deeper energy can leave us feeling just as overwhelmed and unfocused as before. If you've ever felt like you're constantly battling mental clutter or making rushed decisions, keep listening. This story might just feel incredibly familiar. The elephant's calming core energy. You know, it's pretty wild how much we focus on just the surface of things in our homes, right? We buy beautiful objects hoping they'll sprinkle some good vibes around. But here's the real game changer. In ancient wisdom, from feng shui to timeless spiritual traditions, it's not just what you have, but the specific energy it holds and exactly where you place it that makes all the difference. It's like having a super powerful secret key, but never quite knowing which lock it's actually meant to open. In these age-old teachings, everything around us vibrates with a certain energy. Think of an elephant. They move with this incredible, slow, deliberate grace. They have legendary patience, a mind that remembers everything, and this amazing ability to solve problems steadily without getting flustered. These aren't just cool traits. They're the very essence of a calm, focused, and wise mind. So when you bring an elephant figurine into your space, it's not just a pretty object. It literally becomes a visual and energetic anchor, constantly, subtly reminding your subconscious mind of those powerful qualities. It's like the elephant's quiet, steady presence helps to tune your own internal frequency to one of peace and clarity. When your environment is infused with this kind of stable, thoughtful energy, your own mind naturally starts to follow suit. This can genuinely help cut down on anxiety, boost your ability to focus, and encourage you to think logically instead of reacting impulsively. And when you're calmer and clearer, guess what? You naturally start making much smarter decisions about your money, your career, your relationships, everything. This shift in perspective is absolutely profound, especially when you see how it plays out when someone places their elephant in just the right spot to cultivate that inner calm. Your home's Zen spot's revealed. Okay, so now that you understand the powerful, quiet energy an elephant can bring, you're probably wondering, where exactly do you put this majestic figure to tap into all that calm and wisdom? Is there some secret map, some ancient, dusty scroll? No. The beauty of this forgotten wisdom is often in its elegant simplicity, right there in your everyday home. There are a few key Zen spots where your elephant truly shines, becoming a silent anchor for your inner peace and clarity. Your workspace or study nook. First up, your workspace or study nook. Think about it, this is where you need focus and clear thinking the most, right? Placing a small elephant statue here, ideally one with its trunk facing up, symbolizing alertness and success, can really help you cut down on stress when you're making decisions, boost your concentration, and stay grounded when things get intense. It's like a constant, gentle reminder to think like an elephant, slowly, surely, and wisely. Your living room's relaxation zone. Next, consider your living room, especially near your favorite relaxation spot. The living room is often the central hub of your home's energy. Placing an elephant here, perhaps where you unwind, read, or even just enjoy a quiet moment, can help absorb any negative vibes and bring a sense of tranquility and harmony to the whole family. You can have its trunk facing towards the center of the room to spread that peaceful energy outwards. Your bedroom with a thoughtful touch. And finally, for those of you who struggle with restless nights or unsettling dreams, A small elephant figurine by your bedside table can offer a profound sense of peace, security, and a deeper, more restorative sleep. If you have one, an elephant with a mother and calf is especially powerful here, symbolizing protection and nurturing calm. Just be mindful of its size and material so it doesn't feel overwhelming in such a personal space. Understanding these specific Zen spots and why they work, drawing from centuries of wisdom, is just the first step. Because once you put this simple knowledge into action, the shifts can be truly astonishing. I've seen it happen time and time again, not just in old books, but in real people's lives. Let me tell you about Anna, whose life literally turned around after she finally activated the elephant's calming power in her home. Anna's story, the power of inner calm. I mentioned Anna, right? She's a brilliant architect, super creative, but for the longest time it felt like she was constantly swimming upstream. She was constantly dealing with high-stress projects, back-to-back deadlines, and a non-stop flow of work that left her feeling anxious and sleep-deprived. She had this beautiful little stone elephant figurine in her living room, sitting on a bookshelf, but it was just decor. Anna was constantly feeling overwhelmed, struggling to focus, and often making rushed decisions at work. This led to a lot of rework, costing her time and mental energy. She felt totally stuck in a cycle of pressure and lack of clarity. One day, after we talked about how objects in our homes can affect our mental energy, Anna decided to give it a try. She didn't buy anything new, she simply moved her little stone elephant. First, she decluttered her desk, which was usually a battleground of blueprints and scattered documents. Then she placed that small stone elephant in a prominent spot on her desk, right in her line of sight. Whenever she felt stressed or stuck, she'd take a few seconds to look at the elephant, breathe deeply, and remind herself to be calm and clear-headed just like it. She also started a small ritual. Every morning when she sat down at her desk, she'd gently touch the elephant and set an intention for a focused and productive day. And you won't believe what happened next. After just about 2 weeks, Anna started noticing remarkable changes. She said she was sleeping much better, waking up with a clear mind and feeling energized. Her anxiety and irritability significantly decreased. More importantly, at work, she felt like she could approach problems more objectively, coming up with creative and much more effective solutions. Projects flowed more smoothly, and she even started getting praise from clients for her calm demeanor and professionalism. She told me that elephant became a constant reminder that I could be as calm and wise as it. It wasn't just about luck. It was about finding an anchor that helped me see my path to success so much more clearly, and my life just became so much lighter and more efficient. Anna's story perfectly illustrates how powerful these seemingly small adjustments can be in creating profound shifts. But her initial mistakes, and the amazing transformation when she corrected them, highlight a crucial point. Just knowing where to put an elephant isn't enough. There are critical mistakes that can totally undermine your efforts, making this powerful practice completely useless, or even worse, accidentally attracting the very negative energy you're trying to avoid. You absolutely need to know these pitfalls to truly unlock the elephant's calming power. Common mistakes and important notes. Anna's story, and countless others, really show the astonishing power of simply inviting the elephant's calming energy into your space. But and this is a crucial but, you can't just place it anywhere or forget about it. Just like any powerful tool, if you use it incorrectly, it won't just be ineffective. It could actually create the very problems you're trying to avoid. Trust me, you absolutely want to know these common pitfalls to truly harness the elephant's balancing power. The absolute worst mistake you can make is placing your beautiful elephant in a cluttered, dirty, or neglected area. Oh my goodness, this is a huge one. Think about it. An elephant represents wisdom, stability, and dignity. If you put it in a messy, chaotic space, its energy gets completely overwhelmed. It can't breathe, and it literally drains the elephant's power, turning it into a magnet for negative, stagnant vibes instead of a source of calm. It's like trying to get clear thoughts in a chaotic room you just can't. So leaving your elephant amongst piles of junk or in a dusty corner is actively inviting more mental clutter and stress into your home. Beyond just general clutter, another very common, yet often overlooked, mistake is not truly connecting with your elephant. While simply placing it in a Zen spot is a great start, its deeper power is unlocked when you engage with it consciously. If you just put it there and completely forget about it, treating it purely as static decor, you're missing out on the energetic link. It's like having a beautiful, wise mentor in the room, but never listening to their advice. Finally, a quick but vital note on the elephant's condition and number. While elephants are amazing, don't go overboard and clutter your space with too many. A few strategically placed ones are powerful, An overwhelming collection can create visual noise and actually block the very calm you're trying to invite. Also, always make sure your elephant figurine is intact and clean. A chipped, broken, or constantly dusty elephant can represent stagnant energy or broken focus. Always choose pieces that feel sturdy and resonate with you, as their integrity reflects the strength of the energy they represent. Understanding these common pitfalls is just as empowering as knowing the right places. Because once you've avoided these traps and truly honored the elephant's calming energy, you're ready to witness some astonishing shifts in your own life. You'll start feeling clearer, more composed, and your path to lasting success will suddenly become much smoother. Activating your elephant's calming power. Okay, so you've learned about the elephant's incredible power to bring calm and wisdom. You know the key Zen spots. And crucially, you now understand the sneaky mistakes that can actually block that peaceful energy. So how do you put all this powerful knowledge into action effectively and immediately? It's surprisingly simple, and it begins with intention. Your goal is to consciously activate your elephant as your home's humble guardian of peace and clarity. In the very first step, the foundational one, is to eradicate stagnant energy traps. This means, first and foremost, decluttering the area around your elephant. Remember Anna's desk. Clear out any piles of papers, old coffee cups, or anything that creates visual noise or energetic chaos. The instant that space is sparkling clean and organized, you will physically feel a lightness, a fresh, vibrant energy replacing the old. That heavy, suffocating energy literally drains away with the clutter, replaced by an invigorating openness that immediately signals to your mind. This space is ready for clear thinking. Next, choose a Zen spot that truly resonates with you for its purpose. Whether it's your busy desk where you need focus, or a quiet corner in your living room where you unwind, select a spot where you genuinely desire more calm and clarity. When you place your elephant there, make sure its trunk is facing inwards, symbolically drawing that peaceful, wise energy into your space and into your mind. Finally, and this is where the magic truly happens, establish a mindful connection. Don't just place it and walk away. Take a few deep breaths, gently touch the elephant, and set a clear intention. Visualize its powerful, steady energy flowing through your space, quieting your anxieties and sharpening your focus. This isn't just about good luck. It's about actively cultivating an environment that fosters inner peace, allowing you to approach challenges with a calm, clear mind. Make this a small, regular ritual, a quick touch, a moment of intention to keep that energy fresh and potent. Your path to inner peace starts now. So what's my personal takeaway from all this? And why am I so incredibly passionate about sharing these seemingly simple secrets? It's because I've seen time and time again that the power to transform your life, to find genuine inner peace, clarity, and sustained success, isn't always about huge, complex strategies or endless striving. Often it's about paying attention to the subtle, yet profound, energy in your home and honoring the ancient, almost forgotten wisdom embedded in humble, everyday items like an elephant figurine. This isn't just folklore. It's about creating a living space that truly supports your mental well-being, rather than secretly sabotaging your efforts. You now hold the key to understanding how those seemingly innocent piles of clutter, those unchecked stressors, and those overlooked symbols are actively draining your energy and blocking your clarity. And more importantly, you know how a few simple, intentional actions with your elephant can literally reset your home's energetic blueprint for peace and wisdom. This is about consciously creating an environment that actively welcomes calm, sharp focus, and a profound sense of inner stability. It's about empowering you to take control of your space and, by extension, your mind and your life. It's time to take action. Don't let another day pass feeling overwhelmed or unfocused. Tonight, walk through your home with fresh eyes. Clear those cluttered spots, choose a Zen spot, and consciously place your elephant there with intention. Feel that immediate shift in energy, embrace the renewed flow, and then share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this impacts your life. Let's all start inviting true calm and powerful wisdom into our lives, one intentional action at a time.